This is the ATV Hopper, and it is very useful because you can use it to explore the map very quickly, and it is the first ever vehicle that can do so, which makes it very useful, and after this video you will know how to make one. This truck is somewhat tricky, because the materials that you will need for it is those items and 2 ATV spawners. ATV spawners come in gifts that look like this, but if you don't have some, then just go on my Discord server and make a post saying that you want to buy an ATV spawner or gift, expect it to be worth from 80 to 100,000, and then see if you can trade with players to get one. That out of the way, to build it, place a ATV spawner vertically, and another one as close as possible next to it, and then place a button, and connect it to the both ATV spawners. After pressing the button you will get this double ATV, and then I recommend to move one spawner, and place the ATV hopper in your truck, so you can transport it to your desired location, then take it out of your truck, and in order to sit you will have to go to first person, and then when you got it, start spam grabbing the ATV. This vehicle's special ability is to jump very high, which can be helpful. Let's see how far can it go. Wow, I ended up in the tropics. I'm now in the swamp. Thanks to Jesty for inventing this, and now if you want to see 5 glitches that are also really useful, watch this video.